Hello everyone, this is Frontier. Welcome back. In our last videos, we saw about what is machine learning and types of data. Today's video is all about pre-processing the data. We all know that the quality of food determines the health of a human being. Here, the quality of data determines the performance of machine learning algorithm. The quality refers to the pre-processed data. Hence, pre-processing is very essential for building a model. There are various steps and methods to pre-process the data. Some of the methods are handling missing values, removing duplicate data, data wrangling or data mangling, and feature selection. Most of the machine learning algorithms don't support data with null values, so there is a need to handle null values. First is mean, median, mode or multiple imputation. Imputation is the process of replacing missing data with substitute values. These values could be mean, median or mode of the data. Here, mean imputation. The null values in left hand side is replaced by its mean value. You can see it in right hand side. Next is median imputation. The null values in left hand side is replaced by its median values and it is displayed in right hand side. Next is mode imputation. The null values in left hand side is replaced by the mode value in right hand side. Here the mode is yes. So the null values is replaced by the value s. Second, prediction of columns with missing values. Consider the attribute with missing values as target and remaining attributes as features. Predict the target and replace the null values. Here you can see height attribute as null values. So we can predict the height by making height as the target attribute. But first you need to know what is target and what is feature. The target is the variable whose values are to be modeled and predicted by other values. It is also called predicted variables and dependent variables. Here you can see height, age, weight, gender. Height is the target. We can use age, weight, gender to predict the value of height. Second is feature. Feature denotes the variable whose values will be used to predict the value of the target variable. It is also called predictor variables, independent variables. Here you can see height is a target. We can use age, weight, gender to predict the value of the target variable. So age, weight, gender are features variable. Third, omitting the columns. We can omit a particular column when it has more than 50% of missing values. Here you can see weight column has more than 50% of missing values. So you can omit this column. Fourth, creating a category. The most common and popular approach is to model the missing value in a categorical column as a new category called unknown. In this, you can see the missing values are categorized as unknown. Go on with algorithms that support missing values. We can use certain machine learning algorithms which supports missing values in data. In this video, we saw about pre-processing and in that we saw about handling missing values and in that we saw imputation, prediction of missing values, omitting the columns, creating the category and algorithms that support missing values. I hope you all gained some idea about pre-processing. Stay connected. We will catch you on our next video. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Our pre-processing contents will be followed in next video. Please like, share and subscribe to Frontier 2020.